Hello, traders. This is Andy from Trade Ideas, and it is the last day of February. What has been kind of a down month, actually. So here's our move in February, going from February 1st. Right now, we're really pinched in between some moving averages, really in no man's land. So be careful out there. This is where I really pull back and very few positions on right now. But I will point out a few possible trades today as far as swing trading goes. The first one, let's look at this MNSO. This is a China retailer. Uh, Earnings yesterday gapping up out of a range. So keep an eye on that. If it can hold this, let's see, 1750 area, could make for a good potential swing trade there. VIST, been a strong sector. This energy This Vista Energy popped up yesterday, kind of out of a range. Looks like it may want to take out this high, or at least try to test it there at 1890 level. Trading in pre-market just a few cents below it. Donkey Kong, DraftKings, looking interesting here. Okay, pulled down, filled the gap after earnings, had a little pop up there. If it could take out yesterday's high, could build on that and maybe approach these highs in the near future. And let's see, this one right here, it's kind of a beaten up stock. This Southwest Energy SWN did have earnings a few days ago, had a nice uh, volume bar and a nice upward move on this one. And then yesterday it put in what a pause day we like to call. So look for a go, pause, go if it can take out that 560 in SWN. All right, guys, keep it tight out there, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.